Coconut? Cockatiel? I see you. I'm obsessed with this mason jar. You guys see the little butterfly on it? It's my favorite mason jar. I love this thing. Ooh, I almost had that slip out of my hand. That smells so good. If you guys could only smell this. Joey, do you want to go over there? What's the matter? You want to go over there and play stand? He wants to check out how much they love their play stand. He wants to go over to this play stand. Okay, go. Bye-bye. Good. I have my jacket on because I get so cold when I drink this, so I'm already prepared. I put my jacket on. Geraldine. Joe, what are you doing? What are you doing? Geraldine, gonna go fly? Coconut. What are you doing? Done. And I see I definitely did not use enough veggies, or this is not going to fill me up for sure. I should put a lot more veggies, but oh well, next time. So I've never tried this sauce before. Let's see how this sauce is. And I love mushrooms. I can't do a stir fry with no mushrooms because that would be like not the same. So here it is. That's really, really good. This thing has so much flavor. It's super delicious. I love teriyaki. That's one of my favorite sauces. So this is a healthy version of what otherwise would normally be a very greasy Chinese dish. So I love to make these healthy stir fries. And of course, you can even sweeten it with homemade dates by simply blending dates with some water and use that to sweeten it instead of a processed sugar like maple syrup or brown sugar. But this is the healthy version of Chinese stir fry, ungreasy and delicious. My gosh, this is so good. I'm gonna eat this before it gets cold. Hey guys, I'm actually filming this portion a couple days later, and because my battery was about to die on my phone, but I literally just had my eyes done with semi-permanent eyeliner tattoo. Well, it's not eyeliner, it's more of a lash enhancement, so it's very, very subtle. And I'll show you the results, and I'll put this in a separate video. And yeah, that was a really, really crazy, horrific experience that I was just through. It was definitely not a pleasant experience having someone that insanely close to your eye with a tattoo machine. Yeah, that was definitely not the best day of my life, let's put it that way, but I can already tell I'm gonna love this. It's gonna be life-changing. I can already tell it's gonna be an awesome result, and it's not gonna look like eyeliner. It's just gonna look like a very subtle enhancement, so I don't look so washed out and tired and dead, because I don't like wearing makeup. I can't stand wearing makeup. I mean, there's nothing wrong with makeup. I can't stand putting it on my face and wearing it. It's just, it doesn't work for me. So this eyeliner enhancement is going to make a huge difference. So stay tuned for my next video if you want to see how that went. And I just stopped at the gas station to get some gas, and I decided to pick up some mango, some kind of junk food drink. I got it because it's, I think it was like 90 something cents, and I'm kind of poor, especially after what I peed to have my eyes tattooed. And then I decided to pick up this vegan junk food. This vegan protein pleasure. It's delicious. I love this thing. I don't eat this to get protein because I get plenty of protein through the foods I eat, but this just tastes really good, and I felt like a little snack, especially after the traumatic experience I just went through, having a tattoo machine going zzz over my freaking eye. I thought she was gonna tattoo my eye out with my cornea, and like, yeah. So I'm just very thankful I still have my vision after what I just went through. Oh no. I just dropped a big chunk of this in between the seat, and it's gonna melt. Oh my gosh. This is what happens when you break your own rule. I have a #1 rule. Do not eat in my car or I will kill you. And of course, I broke my own rule. And now I dropped a chunk of this stuff, and there's chocolate in this, and it's gonna melt all over my seat. Oh my god! Now I'm gonna have to open the door and try and find this thing, because it's gonna melt all over the place by the time I get home. Crap! Cannot believe I dropped a big piece between the seats. I'll never ever again I'll never ever eat my car again, especially this kind of stuff. I don't know. I'm just a pig. But anyways, I just wanted to say goodbye to you guys, and hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't remove the Asian landmark a long, long time ago. This is the time of the apocalypse, the dream of the lasting peace.